Mind over machine, a futuristic dream, or just another sci-fi movie plot? Ever wished you could control devices with your mind? No more lost remotes. Picture this: typing a text message just by thinking it. No more autocorrect fails. Sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to brain-computer interfaces, it's becoming as real as your morning coffee. Leading the charge is Neuralink, Elon Musk's latest brainchild. Pun intended. This tech could change how we interact with the world, opening up a universe of possibilities. Beam me up, Scotty. Imagine a world without physical limitations, where our thoughts can control computers, prosthetics, and even other minds. Telepathy, anyone? This is the future Neuralink promises to unlock. No magic wands required. But how does it actually work? Spoiler alert, it's not pixie dust. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this revolutionary tech and see how it might just change humanity. Hold on to your neurons. Unveiling Neuralink, a bridge between brain and technology. Or as I like to call it, the ultimate brain hack. Neuralink, founded by the tech wizard Elon Musk, aims to bridge the gap between the human brain and computers. Think of it as a USB port for your brain. This groundbreaking initiative seeks to create a direct communication pathway between the brain and external devices, opening up a world of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction or sci-fi movies with questionable special effects. Musk, known for his ambitious ventures like Tesla and SpaceX, envisions Neuralink as a way to enhance human capabilities and potentially address neurological disorders. His vision extends beyond mere technological advancement. He sees it as a means to fundamentally change the way we interact with the world around us. And maybe finally understand why we keep losing our keys. But what exactly is Neuralink? At its core, Neuralink is a sophisticated brain-machine interface designed to seamlessly integrate with the human brain. It's like having a personal assistant in your head, minus the coffee runs. Picture a tiny implantable device about the size of a coin that sits flush with your skull. This device is designed to be as unobtrusive as possible, ensuring that it doesn't interfere with your daily life. So, no worries about setting off metal detectors at the airport. This device, equipped with microscopic threads thinner than a human hair, is carefully implanted into the surface of your brain. These threads are designed to be flexible and durable, minimizing any potential damage to brain tissue during the implantation process. Think of it as the world's tiniest, most high-tech hair extensions. Don't worry, it's a lot less scary than it sounds. The procedure is performed by highly trained medical professionals using state-of-the-art technology to ensure precision and safety. And no, you won't wake up speaking fluent binary. These threads, equipped with electrodes, are able to detect and record the electrical signals produced by your neurons, the brain cells responsible for transmitting information. This allows the device to monitor brain activity with incredible accuracy. It's like having a brainy Fitbit. Essentially, Neuralink acts as a tiny translator, converting your thoughts into digital signals that computers can understand. This translation process is what enables the seamless interaction between your brain and external devices. So, you can finally tell your computer to stop using without yelling. This seamless connection between brain and technology has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. From medical applications that could help those with neurological disorders to enhancing everyday tasks through brain-controlled technology, the possibilities are truly endless. Neuralink represents a bold step forward in our quest to merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence, paving the way for a future where the boundaries between man and machine are increasingly blurred. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to order pizza just by thinking about it. Deciphering brain signals, how Neuralink listens to your thoughts. Or, as I like to call it, brain eavesdropping 101. Our brains are like a never-ending rave party, constantly buzzing with electrical activity. This activity is the DJ behind everything we do, from the simplest actions like blinking to the most complex thoughts and emotions. It's a 24/7 dance-off, even when we're catching some Z's. Every thought, feeling, and movement we make is the result of neurons firing off electrical signals. These neurons are like over-caffeinated gossipers, chatting through synapses and creating intricate networks that process and transmit information faster than a viral cat video. It's like a vast, interconnected web of electrical impulses. Neuralink taps into this electrical symphony by implanting its tiny, flexible threads into the brain's outer layer, the cortex. These threads are designed to be minimally invasive, causing as little disruption as possible to the brain's natural functions. They're so thin, they make a strand of hair look like a tree trunk, allowing them to weave through the brain's tissue with the finesse of a ninja. Imagine these threads as tiny microphones strategically placed near a group of people having a conversation. Each microphone is tuned to pick up the faintest whispers, capturing the nuances of each voice. Similarly, Neuralink's threads are positioned to detect the subtle electrical signals generated by neurons. It's like having a superpower for eavesdropping on your own brain. Each electrode on a thread picks up the electrical whispers of nearby neurons, capturing the subtle changes in voltage as they communicate with each other. These electrodes are highly sensitive, capable of detecting even the smallest fluctuations in electrical activity, which are then recorded and analyzed. It's like having a brain paparazzi capturing every neuron's move. This raw data is then transmitted wirelessly to a small external device, much like a hearing aid worn behind the ear. This device acts as a bridge between the brain and the digital world, ensuring that the data is securely and efficiently relayed for further processing. Think of it as your brain's personal Wi-Fi hotspot. This device amplifies the signals, cleans up any background noise, and translates them into a digital language that computers can understand. The process involves sophisticated algorithms that filter out irrelevant data, enhancing the clarity and accuracy of the information being transmitted. It's like having a brain translator that turns neuron gibberish into something even your computer can understand. Think of it like translating a foreign language. Just as a translator interprets spoken words into another language, Neuralink's system deciphers the brain's electrical signals into a format that can be read and understood by machines. It's like having a Rosetta Stone for your brain. Neuralink is essentially learning the language of your brain, decoding the complex patterns of electrical activity, and converting them into meaningful commands or data. This breakthrough technology has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with machines, offering new possibilities for communication, control, and understanding of the human mind. It's like giving your brain a megaphone to shout its thoughts to the digital world. Section 4. Neuralink in Action, a step-by-step breakdown. Or as I like to call it, how to become a cyborg in 10 easy steps. So how does Neuralink actually work in practice? This groundbreaking technology aims to bridge the gap between the human brain and computers, creating a seamless interface that can revolutionize how we interact with the digital world. Basically, it's like giving your brain a Wi-Fi upgrade. Let's break down the process into simple steps. Each step is crucial in ensuring the device functions correctly and safely, providing users with a reliable and efficient experience. Think of it as assembling IKEA furniture, but for your brain. First, implantation. The Neuralink device, with its ultra-thin threads, is implanted into the brain's surface. These threads are designed to be flexible and biocompatible, minimizing any potential damage to the brain tissue. It's like threading a needle, but the needle is your brain. No pressure. This procedure is minimally invasive and performed by a specialized neurosurgeon using a robotic system. The robotic arm ensures accuracy and steadiness, reducing the risk of human error and enhancing the overall safety of the surgery. Because if there's one thing you don't want, it's a shaky hand during brain surgery. Next, signal detection. The electrodes on the threads pick up the faint electrical signals generated by nearby neurons as they communicate with each other. These signals are incredibly subtle, requiring highly sensitive equipment to detect and interpret them accurately. It's like eavesdropping on a whispering contest. Then, signal transmission. The recorded signals are transmitted wirelessly to the external processing unit, the link, worn behind the ear. This wireless transmission eliminates the need for cumbersome wires, making the device more user-friendly and practical for everyday use. Because nobody wants to look like they're wearing a spaghetti hat. After that, signal processing. The link amplifies the signals, filters out any noise, and translates the raw data into a digital format. This step is essential for converting the brain's natural electrical activity into a form that can be understood and utilized by digital devices. Think of it as your brain's personal translator, but without the funny accent. Finally, device control. The processed signals are sent to a connected device, such as a computer, smartphone, or prosthetic limb, allowing the user to control it with their thoughts. This capability opens up a world of possibilities, from assisting those with disabilities to enhancing everyday tasks for the general population. It's like having a superpower, but without the cape. This entire process happens in real time, allowing for seamless and intuitive control. The immediacy of the response is crucial for creating a natural and fluid user experience, making the technology feel like an extension of the user's own body and mind. It's like having a second brain, but without the extra headaches. Imagine composing an email just by thinking it, or browsing the internet with the power of your mind. The convenience and efficiency offered by such capabilities could transform our daily lives, making tasks that once required physical effort or manual input as simple as a thought. Finally, a way to send emails without getting carpal tunnel. This is the future Neuralink is working towards, a future where technology and biology merge seamlessly, enhancing human capabilities and opening up new frontiers in both personal and professional realms. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are endless. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even be able to order pizza with our minds. Section 5. A world of possibilities, real-life applications of Neuralink. Or as I like to call it, the future is now, old man. The potential applications of Neuralink are vast and incredibly exciting. And no, it's not just for showing off at parties. In the near term, Neuralink could revolutionize the lives of people with paralysis, making them the real-life superheroes we always knew they were, allowing them to control prosthetic limbs, wheelchairs, and maybe even their TV remotes without losing them in the couch cushions, or even their own paralyzed muscles with their thoughts. Talk about mind over matter. Imagine a world where a paralyzed individual can regain their independence and finally open that stubborn pickle jar, effortlessly controlling a robotic arm to perform everyday tasks, like making the perfect cup of coffee without spilling it everywhere, or walking again with the help of a brain-controlled exoskeleton. Move over, Iron Man. Neuralink has the potential to turn such dreams into reality. Beyond restoring lost functions, it's like having a superpower without the radioactive spider bite. Neuralink could also enhance our existing abilities. Who needs caffeine when you have brain tech? Imagine typing on a virtual keyboard at the speed of thought, finally beating your high score in typing games, controlling smart home devices with your mind, and never having to get up to turn off the lights again, or even communicating telepathically with others. No more awkward silences, just awkward thoughts. The possibilities are truly limitless. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even have brain-controlled pizza delivery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more exciting content on the future of technology.